Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff with Precision Public Adjusting. I am out at Elshanda Chapman's house in Lawrenceville. I'm going to be attempting a repair on the back slope. We will be removing this shingle right here today, guys. It is a damaged shingle. I'm going to put the phone down and angle it so you guys can follow along. All right, guys, this shingle right here. Okay, so it's gonna be these three right here. So these three. No nail here. Overdriven, so you can see this nail is overdriven. It's already protruded through the shingle, so I can't pull that nail out. Same with this nail, okay? So all of these nails over nailed. That nail and this nail are protruding through the shingle. They can't be pulled out. They're basically flush with the felt and the decking. That right there, it's a little bit of creasing. As you can see, I'm just barely lifting. Okay, these three. Okay, it's hard over this nail. All right, guys. Shingle removed. I will be putting in the new shingle. Okay, guys, this is not a nailable surface. Whether they did nail here and I'm on top of it with my new nail, I'll have to move this over. Like I said, when I was tearing it off, there was no nail showing there, so it could have been under the next shingle. I will move it over. See, that one had no problem going in. Here to that one. I'm doing well. I'm with Precision Public Adjusting. I apologize. I rang your doorbell. No, it's okay. So what we're doing is we're performing a repair attempt. I actually have it on video. I'm still videoing, so I need to get back to it. But I'm removing a damaged shingle from your roof and putting a new shingle in and sending the video into your insurance company. Yes, sir. Sorry. So I had to get back to the video. Still running. I'll come down and talk to you when I'm done, okay? Yes, sir. Alrighty, guys. There's the new shingle in place. As you can see, these 3 shingles above it were really affected. Like I said, this one couldn't find the nail. It was had to be a little bit more manipulated, but you can see the creasing across the top, even the breakage in the corner on this end one. Okay, I'll go ahead and take some photos for you guys as well. Sorry, my shadow's in the way.